today we're making a sweet ginkgo nut soybean soup. And then Mom, is there anything you need to look for when you buy these bean curd sheets?
It has to be fresh and no mold.
So it's hard to tell whether it's fresh or not. So my mom's advice is just to go to a reputable vendor. But it is helpful that some of these products nowadays have an expiry date. She's just preparing the ginkgo right now. She bought about 20 of these ginkgo nuts, and she's just removing the shell by just smashing it with a knife, and then just taking out, even removing the brown peel that's around it. Yeah. So it's not like it's dirty or anything, but we still just want to rinse it a bit and then break them up just so that we can fit it in the bowl. Because yeah, when you buy it, it's actually quite crunchy. And yeah, so it's all broken up. Do we need to soak the bean curd sheets? Oh, no need to soak. So just rinsing it and breaking it up. We're getting ready to cook the soybean sheets right now. It's hard to gauge how much water to put, but maybe just starting off roughly just less than half a bowl of water. And then does it need to wait to boil?
Yeah, and add 2 slices of ginger.
Okay. So she added 2 slices of ginger, and we're just going to bring that to a boil. Okay. And then she's adding all of the 20 ginkgo nuts into the boiling water, and then turning it onto high heat. So this has been cooking for about 20 minutes, and like my mom was saying earlier, if the soybean sheet is of good quality, it'll just disintegrate by itself and melt into this kind of texture, this milky texture. But if the soybean sheet is of not good quality, it won't turn into this. So she didn't even have to stir it that much, and you don't have to add water throughout the process. You just basically let it simmer on its own for 20 minutes, and it will just automatically turn into this kind of texture. So right now my mom is just adding all of the rock sugar in, and in total it's about 100 grams. But like my mom was saying earlier, it's really to taste. So if you like a sweeter soup, then you obviously can add more. But my mom typically doesn't like dessert that's too sweet anyway. She prefers healthier kind of cooking. So we use about 100 grams for this size pot.